Check out this modular tool check from Wera. This system is all about customization. Build the perfect tool check for your needs. At Automation Direct, we offer both imperial and metric module sets with sockets and screwdriver bits. This module includes 13 bits, a ratchet attachment, and adapters for the 4 sockets on the bottom. Plus, you get a craft form driver handle in the set. If you want to upgrade, grab a ratcheting driver handle. Need precision? The Modular Micro 1 includes 20 precision screwdriver bits and a craft form micro precision driver handle with a rotating head. Add a set of Allen keys and you've got a nearly complete tool set, ready to go wherever you are. You can buy each module separately and build your own setup with adapters, or go for the complete set and customize it however you like. And if you picked up Wera's 2024 Advent Calendar, the mini tool check works perfectly with this modular system. Wera designed this for people on the move, perfect for EDC enthusiasts who always want their tools within reach. Visit us today at AutomationDirect.com to learn more and add a modular tool check to your tool bag today. Click here to learn more about our tools. Click here for more videos.